Hello guys, today I'm gonna draw a rabbit. Let's start by drawing two. We have to draw one more two over here. Now you will draw over here like this. Then you have to just join it like here. And then you just need to do here and like you go here. Then you have to color it. After that, you go here and take it all the way here. Take it like this, and then you will just make a curve here and two curves like this. Then you just need to make two small lines, and then you do like this and like this. After that, you just need to make a small one. Now you need to make one circle over here and need to make three small circles inside, and then you just color it and the eyes of the rabbits are done. Be careful not to color the small circles. And now and then we are done. Now let's sketch it.
So circle करना.
And then you're done. And now we are done. You just need to color it with pink. Be careful, it may mess up your rabbit. And voila!